हेलो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ ध्रुवराज गोसाई एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। तो जी आज की जो वीडियो है उसमें हम एक कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग सुनने वाले हैं जिसमें एक स्टूडेंट ने आईआरसीसी के ऑफिसर से बात की हुई है, जिसमें आईआरसीसी के ऑफिसर से बात क्लियरली इन्हीं टॉपिक पर हुई है कि क्या वो स्टूडेंट के जो एप्लीकेंट्स हैं उनको 6 अगस्त तक उनका जो वीज़ा का जो स्टेटस है, जो भी फाइनल डिसीजन दिया जाएगा या नहीं। तो और वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं ये जिस भी स्टूडेंट ने वीडियो बनाई है उनको मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि वो कंटिन्यूसली 2-3 दिन से मिफ़ी और आईआरसीसी के कंटिन्यूसली कांटेक्ट में है और फाइनली उन्होंने एक जो वीडियो बनाई है, हम सबको एंड में ये सुनने के बाद आप सबको एक पॉजिटिव फीलिंग ज़रूर आनी है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक सुनिए। सेकंड बात, आप जब भी अपना कोई भी डिसीजन ले उससे पहले आप खुद क्लियर हो जाए उसके बारे में और अपना डिसीज़न खुद ले, किसी की भी बात में आकर अपना डिसीज़न ना ले। अगर आपको आईआरसीसी को या अपने कॉलेज को कॉल करना है और आप फ्री में कॉल करना चाहते हो तो मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई है कॉन्टैक्ट मिफ़ी करके, बहुत ही शॉर्ट वीडियो है, शायद 1 मिनट की होगी। तो उस पर जाकर आप डिटेल देख सकते हो। वहाँ पर मैंने वो एप्लीकेशन का नाम भी दिखाया है कि आप इससे आप उनको बात कर सकते हो। तो ऐसे करके आप उनसे बात कीजिए, अपना जो भी थॉट्स है उस पर क्लियर हो जाइए और उसके बाद ही अपना जो भी डिसीजन ले। तो चलिए देखते हैं इस वीडियो को आगे। और प्लीज़ ईयरफोन लगा लीजिए, क्योंकि इसकी जो वॉल्यूम है वो थोड़ी कम है, तो ईयरफोन से आपको पूरा सुनाई देगा। और वीडियो को एंड तक सुनिए।
Will be asking you three quick questions. I will be keeping them short and quick. So just kindly bear with me. So my first question is that I hope you are aware that 10 colleges from Quebec were banned, suspended on 30th of December, and on 12th of January the suspension was uplifted by the court, right? So after that there has been no single update about that those 10 colleges of Quebec, and no one has received any of the visa. And recently IRCC on their website gave a notification that on the students who will be submitting a complete file before 15th of May, they might expect results till 6th of August. So does this same applies for the students of Quebec as well, to the college students of those 10 colleges?
To be honest, I cannot really tell you because the simple answer is that we don't know. I mean, the situation with the colleges in Quebec, it just by the nature of it makes every case of the people applying for it more complex than the others, and therefore it is normal that it is going to take more time for those applications to be processed because they are in nature more complex. Right?
Because of CAQ.
So,
because of CAQ, you mean to say they are complex?
not because of the CAQ, but rather because of the investigation that was going on with the colleges.
Okay. But according to the update, the investigations are over, and the suspension is already uplifted. The MIFI, the government of Quebec has already given on their website that the suspension is already lifted. So but still no visas are, students are not getting visas. Students are really depressed. I know a few of students who committed suicide as well because of this situation. This is very depressing.
Yeah, obviously I can understand how it's difficult, but unfortunately we don't have answers for that at the moment. We're trying to do what we can process applications.
So you mean you are not sure whether students of Quebec will get visas from 15th to 6th of August? I mean, let's change the question, whether this update is for everyone, for every college, or does it excludes the Quebec students, the update which is on the website?
I can verify if you want.
Sure,
Program special.
sure, sir. I will be more than thankful to you if you will just verify either with your supervisor or senior, with anyone who knows, whether this update is for everyone or the students of Quebec of these 10 colleges are excluded or included. Pardon?
What are your other questions? You told
So
me
other
your
okay.
questions.
My other question is that colleges have officially announced on their website that on 3rd of May IRCC sent them letters, right, which said that this update is for everyone and students of who applied in 2020 will also get an update. So whether is is it legal that colleges are updating it on their websites, because which I think if the students don't have this much of authority that with the name of IRCC and government they can publish something on their website. If they'll be wrong, they'll be caught by the police immediately. So I want clarification on this also. And the third question is that there are rumors that these 10 colleges will not get results. So the solution for this is a DLI change. So should students don't expect results from these 10 colleges, and should they just change their college? Is this the solution?
Okay.
Yes, I will wait for your answer, sir. I will wait. So I will be really thankful if you can elaborate the answers. Pardon?
What was your second question again?
My second question was that the college authorities have published that on 3rd of May they received a letter from IRCC stating that all the students who applied in 2020 or all the pending files will be processed by IRCC and they will get results before 6th of August. So is it true or not? I mean, like, colleges can do this.
What? Sorry, I didn't understand that last part.
Is it true or not?
They publish.
Yes, they published.
Yeah,
They published on their websites that they have officially received a letter from IRCC stating that all the students are included and students will get results. The pending files will also be processed, and according to this notification, students of these 10 colleges will also get results.
Okay, so these 10 colleges published something on their website saying that IRCC told them
Yes.
that the students that apply for those colleges will be getting answers.
Yes. So is it true or not? Okay.
Did they mention a date, specific date?
3rd of May. They published that on 3rd of May they got a letter from IRCC. I will be more than obliged to you if you can answer these questions in detail, because thousands of students, like more than 10,000 of students, are depressed and just waiting for these 3 answers.
Okay, allow me to put you on hold and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Thank you, sir. I will wait.
Sure, I'll come back to this discussion.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so basically those that were conducting the investigation,
Yes.
right, it was the MP, right, the Ministry of Quebec.
Yes.
Right? So for us at IRCC, we can only proceed with the study permits if we have the authorization from the MIFI. So that means if we have the CAQ,
Yes.
right, then we can continue with the study permit. If we don't have CAQs, we cannot do anything, basically. That's the agreement that we have with the government of Quebec.
Okay.
So if the MIFI is not issuing CAQs to people going to those colleges, that's really out of our mandate. And to be honest,
sorry to interrupt you, sir. Here, sorry to interrupt you here, but we all have a valid CAQ in our file, and I just had a word with MIFI like half an hour ago. They just confirmed that they are issuing, as the suspension was lifted by the court, So they are issuing CAQs of these 10 colleges on regular basis.
Okay, well, if they are issuing CAQs, then that means we will continue to process the applications as usual, at the usual rate that we can do it. But
Okay.
to be honest, regarding the three questions that you asked,
Yes.
we don't really have an answer for that. I did confirm with the program specialist, and there's no mention in our website of a promise saying that we will process study permit applications for, before August or anything like that.
No, there is an
something.
update. There is an update, sir. If you will open the website yourself, there is an update that if you will file your complete application before 15th of May, you will be getting a result probably for the fall intake before 6th of August. So this is what I can also see. If I will also open on the IRCC website, I can also see this, sir.
Okay, can you show me?
Uh,
What is it?
Sure, sir. I can show you how to tell me your email ID. I will send you the screenshot now only.
Not the screenshot. Tell me where do you find the information?
On the IRCC website, when you will look for the study, the processing time, in the section of processing time, it will come.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So just wanted to know whether this update is for all of the students or not, and whether the IRCC has given any letter to the colleges, because colleges are claiming it openly on their websites and everywhere that we have received a confirmation from the IRCC that the pending files will also be processed.
Right. Well, as far as the first message saying that if we received complete study permit applications by May 15th,
Yes, yes.
yes, that we will try to do it, although we cannot guarantee it for everyone. Okay, due to the current situation, we cannot guarantee it for everyone. And there is a mention for Quebec students, so it's basically the same as for everything else. So they are included in that.
Okay, thank you.
They need to have a complete application. Complete application means having the CAQ as well.
Yes, yes. So if with a CAQ, if a file is there, so it will be processed for sure.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. You made my day. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, because students are traveling in two boats as of now. They don't have a single way, because there are some agents who were saying that these colleges will not get a result and go for a DLI change and this and that and blah and blah. So what do you think? Students should do DLI change because of this reason, that these colleges will not get a result?
I cannot tell you what my personal opinion is on this.
Okay.
It's up to you. I mean, if the investigation has been lifted, you can decide to still go to one of those colleges and continue your process. Now, how long will it take? That we don't know. If you're
Okay.
better off changing colleges, that's up to
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Up to you to decide.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir.